Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to group multiple text box in Excel. Okay, hold control, go to format tab, align, middle. Okay, hold control and select multiple text box. Go to format tab, group. Now see this, align right, group. Okay. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.